Monday, you got everything done. Felt unstoppable. Wednesday, same person. Same life. Couldn't even start. You didn't change. You didn't get lazy. Something else happened. And once you understand what, you'll never have a wasted day the same way again. I used to think my productive days were luck. Like some days my brain just showed up, and some days it didn't. So I'd beat myself up on the bad days. Call myself lazy, undisciplined, weak. Then I learned something that changed everything. Your brain isn't random. It runs on a clock. A biological schedule that repeats every single day, whether you know about it or not. And the people who seem to always have their life together, they're not more disciplined than you. They just figured out their clock.
Here's how it works. Every 90 minutes, your brain goes through a cycle. First, a high phase. You're sharp, focused. Energy is up. Everything flows easily. Then, a low phase. Your brain starts to slow down on purpose. It needs to recover. And if you try to push through, your focus falls apart. You stare at the screen. Nothing happens. That's not laziness. That's your brain saying, I need a minute. Scientists discovered this cycle decades ago. And recently, Stanford researchers confirmed that your biggest peak of the whole day hits 1 to 3 hours after you wake up. That's your most powerful window. Your brain is sharpest. Your focus is deepest. Everything is working in your favor. And most people spend it scrolling, checking messages, doing easy stuff, completely wasting the best hours their brain has.
So here's what you do with this. 1. Find your golden window. For most people, it's the first 2 to 3 hours after waking. Use that time for your hardest, most important work. Nothing else. No phone, no emails. Just the work. 2. When you feel your focus drop after 90 minutes, don't fight it. Step away for 10 minutes. Walk, stretch, sit outside. Let the cycle complete. Then, come back sharper. 3. Stop scheduling hard work in the afternoon. That 2 p.m. crash you feel every day? That's your biology bottoming out. Use that time for easy tasks. Emails, admin, anything low effort. Save the hard stuff for when your brain is actually ready. Same amount of hours in your day. Completely different results.
Your bad days weren't you failing. They were you working against your own brain without knowing it. Now you know. Use it. Subscribe to Control State. Drop in the comments, what time of day do you feel most focused? I'll see you in the next one.